Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Deborah. I was just about to start another project and I saw the postie pull up and I ran out to the mailbox and he's left me my Somerset Studio magazine, so pretty excited. This is the August, September, October one and it is just beautiful. The cover alone is just gorgeous. So I thought that I would share a flip through with you. So I've just opened it and let's have a look. You'll be viewing it while I do. It's very, very big. It's, I love that they're putting so much into them these days. And it's just gorgeous. Let's see what takes our eye. That's the same as the front cover, the same artist, and that is just divine. It's beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at it. It's just lovely. Casa del Corazon. Houses or Homes of the Heart. That's by Lori Mika. It's very Mexican inspired, isn't it? Or Spanish inspired. Oh, that's lovely too. This is by Elizabeth Tichbon. Not just the pictures that are in here, but the articles are really, really good. I learned so much from these magazines. I love them. That's beautiful. Then we've got another one. This is called This Campfire Girl. Oh, and that paper. They give you the paper to play with, and look at that. And this, the artist's paper. I'll definitely be pulling that out and playing with it. Very cute, this one. I think I'll have to do some inspired by videos. I haven't done one for a while, but I think I'll have to definitely get out my other magazines and this one and go through and do some inspirations. That's lovely. This is where you get to play. But you can also use these pages in your journals. Oh, one of my favourite Tim Holtz dolls, that one. So cute. And they've drawn around him and over the top. He's so cute. That's lovely. Oh, some really interesting things this time. Playing card royalty and mixed media. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. That's actually the paper. It's more of the artist's paper too. Oh, that'll be lovely. And that one is too. Japanese garden collages. They're really interesting, aren't they? Little works of art. More areas to have your own go at things. This is a circus one. They're beautiful. Very rich in colour, those ones. Oh, and this is the lady who's on the front cover. A Dance on the Page. Renee Muller. That is just beautiful. What a wonderful artist she is. Wow, amazing. Wish I could do stuff like this. It is just gorgeous. Oh wow, I have to go back through that in detail. And look at this. This is gorgeous. Wow, it's really beautiful. And that's more of the artist's paper. Gorgeous. And this one too. Lots of good things in this magazine. This quarter. That's collage, little compositions. Oh, that's really sweet. That looks like it's actually 3D. I don't know if it is. I'll have to read it. I think it might be, because that's definitely done on fabric. Yeah, and there's some French knots and things there. Oh wow, look at that. Colours are beautiful in that, aren't they? No, this is beautiful. They're little houses, very cute. This is more of the artist paper, and this one too. Then you've got this. Look at that. Another one of my favourite paper dolls, and that little girl. I think, who are we kidding? I love them all, so I shouldn't really pick out one I like more. I've never seen that one, I must say. Maybe it's not a Tim Holtz paper doll, but I think it might be. There are some that you just don't see. Yeah, I've seen them, so not that other one. Oh, and this is gorgeous too. Behind here. Oh, look at them. Beautiful. I've got these gorgeous Parisian type tags. They're gorgeous. And this, they're just beautiful. That's really cute. And then the details page at the back, which is always really interesting to delve really close in to see what is happening in some of the articles. And then I think we're coming to the end now. Oh, I've just noticed that. Oh, they're just telling you how to use the interactive play shops and different things. Yeah, I've never seen that in the magazine before. It probably is. I probably haven't just seen it. And then we're coming to the end. Oh, look, that's some more of Dina Wakely's collage paper. That must be some of the newer stuff. I haven't bought any for ages. That's probably why I've not seen that. And then that's it. So how gorgeous is that? I know what I'm going to be doing this afternoon. First of all, I've got a journal to make, which is the one I started before I saw the mailman pull up. But it is wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that flip through, and hopefully I'll be doing some inspirations from this magazine very soon, I think. And I will catch you next time. This is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.